Welcome to Quick Learning. In this video, we will be discussing three major transactions of SAP, which are MiGO, MM03 and MB21. MiGO is a goods movement transaction which is used in SAP to perform all types of good movements such as goods receipt, goods issuance, transfer postings and stock transfers. For example, when any material is received from a certain vendor with a purchase order like 4500012345, the storekeeper or store clerk uses MiGO transaction to post a goods receipt and update stock levels in the relevant plant. Similarly, if some issuance is done from raw material store to finished goods store or production line, those are also posted through MiGO transaction in SAP. One of the most important uses of MiGO is goods issuance. It is the movement of material out of inventory which reduces stock levels in the system, and it is always a stock outward movement. Usually it is linked with a production order or cost center or sales orders, and it impacts both inventory quantity and accounting because the value of that stock decreases in the system. Let's take three examples. Number one is production. Raw material is issued from warehouse to the shop floor for production, and production is being done according to production plan. Similarly, in cost center consumption, office supplies issued from store to HR department is a classic example of MiGO usage. And third, sales or delivery, the goods issued to fulfill a customer order is a prime example where MiGO is being used for goods issuance. Thank you. Another important use of MiGO is transfer posting. It is the reclassification of material from one type or location to another without necessarily changing the physical location of stock. Like stock remains in company's ownership, only its status or location changes, and it doesn't always affect accounting. And it can be within the same plant or between different plants. Let's take examples. Moving material from quality inspection stock to unrestricted stock after QC is stock type transfer. Similarly, material moved between two storage locations within the same plant is storage location transfer, and in this way material transferred from one plant to another is plant to plant transfer. In this way, MiGO is being used widely in manufacturing operations for the transfer of material from one location to another or one plant to another. For detailed video, please go to our channel and subscribe. Another use of MiGO is return delivery. It is used when materials that were received through a goods receipt need to be sent back to the vendor due to issues like damage, wrong supply or poor quality. Let's take 2 to 3 examples. Number one, a company orders 500 glass bottles but 50 arrive broken. So this damaged material needs to be returned. Another example is a supplier delivers 200 kg of sugar instead of flour. So this is wrong material supplied, this needs to be returned. Another one is a batch of 100 LED bulbs is received but it fails quality test. So due to poor quality or failed inspection, this needs to be returned. Another last example, a vendor sends 1100 units instead of 1000 ordered. So the extra 100 units must be delivered because this is the over delivery. So all these purposes will be dealt through MiGO, and we will use return delivery option of MiGO. Next example of MiGO is goods received without PO. Normally GRs are posted with reference to a purchase order, but sometimes materials are received without a purchase order. Let's take some examples of a GR without PO. Number one is supplier sends 10 free samples of a new machine part for testing. So it is free of cost samples from a vendor. Another one is 50 defective items returned by a customer are brought back into stock. So this is customer returns. In donations, gifts or internal stock, company receives donated safety equipment from a partner organization. Similarly, department buys office stationery directly in cash during an urgent need. So this is emergency local purchases. So in all these scenarios, the receipt of items is done without any PO in the system, and this is being done through MiGO. For detailed video, please go to our channel and check the video about MiGO. MiGO is also used for goods issuance to production. Good issue to production means withdrawing raw materials or semi-finished goods from inventory and issuing them to the production order. The process in MiGO includes movement type 261, that is goods issuance to production, transaction is MiGO, and reference is production order. Let's take 3 examples. Number 1, a production order is created to assemble 10 cars. Raw material required would be like 40 tires, 10 engines and 10 gearboxes. So this is an example of car manufacturing. Another example is from biscuit factory. A production order is released to produce 1000 biscuit packs. The raw materials that will be required are 200 kg flour, 50 kg sugar and 10 kg motherboards. So all these issuances to productions are done through MiGO transaction. MB21 is used for material pre-planning. Many maintenance and production activities require materials to be available on a specific date. When MB21 create reservation, planners can reserve materials ahead of time, ensuring that they are not consumed by other departments. Let's take 3 examples. Number 1 is plant maintenance. A machine overhaul is scheduled for next Friday. The planner knows they will need 2 bearings, 1 lubrication kit and 3 seals. Using MB21, the planner creates a reservation today. Another example for project work, they need 1 motor, 4 bolts and 2 couplings. So using MB21, project manager will create a reservation for the planned installation date. In last example, each time it requires 1 filter and 1 gasket for a preventive maintenance of pump. Using MB21, this objective is achieved and all of these materials are reserved in system through MB21. MB21 is very important transaction of SAP. It has 3 key uses. Number 1, material pre-planning. Number 2, internal material movement. And number 3 is automatic stock reduction during issue. For first usage, material pre-planning is to reserve materials in advance for future work. In internal material movement, it is to move materials within plant, and for third usage, it is to reduce stock when issue goods. MM03 transaction is used to view materials and different details. Its key uses include view material specifications, check stock levels, access purchasing information, see accounting details, and all the relevant information relating to that material code is visible through MM03 transaction. Material specification in MM03. You can view material master data including key technical and purchasing or quality specifications that define how material should be used, bought or produced. Some of the key specification fields are material type, like category, it's raw material or finished good, base unit, that is like kgs, pcs or liters, material group, logical grouping like 1001 for steel, and for other things like gross weight, that is the physical weight in kgs, valuation class, that is linked to GL account, purchasing group, then specifications or drawing number, batch management, shelf life, and classification or technical features. So let's take 2 quick examples. Number 1 is the raw material like steel rod. So description is mild steel rod 12 mm. Its type is ROH, unit is MTR, and standard is ASTM A36. So this data is available in MM03. Similarly, another example for finished product, that is PET bottle. So its description is 1 liter PET bottle. Type is FERT, finished good, color is transparent, and height is 250 mm. So using MM03, you can get data of all material specifications of any material code. Thank you. Let's take a quick view of accounting info in MM03. It shows how a material's value links to GL accounts in SAP. In valuation class, groups materials for accounting, for example, raw material or finished material. In price control, S is equal to standard or fixed, while V is equal to moving average, that is being updated auto. Similarly, material price, it shows cost like 500 euros per unit. In valuation category, the types of split valuation like local versus imported. Let's take an example. We have RM001, that is steel rod. Valuation class is 3000. V is 100 per kg. Another use of MB21 is internal material movement. It reserves materials in advance for internal transfers within the same plant. Let's take 3 examples. Number 1, moving to maintenance store. moving a bearing from the main warehouse to the maintenance store. Similarly, shifting stock between stores, a motor part from the electrical store to the mechanical store is being shifted. Similarly, for production preparation, moving raw material from central store to production line. When you create a reservation in MB21, SAP marks the material as reserved in stock. Later, when you perform a goods issue, the system automatically reduces stock against that reservation. Let's take 3 examples. Number 1, in a maintenance job, a planner reserves 2 bearings via MB21 for a pump repair. On repair day, the technician issues the bearings using MiGO. Stock is automatically reduced. Let's take another example. For a production support, a reservation of 10 steel rods is created for a production order. On the day of production, the storekeeper issues the 10 rods using MB1A. SAP automatically detects the 10 rods from the stock. In third example, partial goods issue, a project team reserves 50 bolts for equipment installation. On the first day, only 30 bolts are issued. SAP automatically detects 30 from the stock, while the reservation still shows 20 pending. Later, the remaining 20 are issued and the reservation closes. So this is the usage of MB21. MB21 in SAP is a powerful tool for smarter material control. It helps you avoid stock shortages by allowing planners to reserve critical materials in advance. This ensures that important parts like hydraulic seals for a pump overhaul stay blocked until required, preventing downtimes and delays. Another key use is its integration with maintenance orders. MB21 links directly with PM orders, so when you plan a job like gearbox replacement, the reserved materials are automatically tied to the order. This not only ensures material availability but also helps in cost tracking and reporting. In short, MB21 makes planning smooth, execution reliable, and maintenance more efficient. So, plan ahead, work smooth, reserve today, and avoid delays tomorrow. MB21 in SAP is not just about reservations, it's about staying ahead of material needs. Every reservation you create is logged in the system and can be tracked through reports like MB25. This gives planners and warehouses a clear view of what's required tomorrow, next week, or even next month. Imagine you have multiple maintenance jobs coming up, bearings, motors, and seals. With MB21 reservations, procurement knows exactly what to arrange before the job begins. Plan smart today and avoid shortages tomorrow. Thank you. Ever wondered where your stock goes? With MB51 in SAP, you can track every single material movement across your plant. Whether it's a goods receipt from a supplier, a goods issue to production, or even a transfer between warehouses, MB51 captures all the details: what material moved, how much, when, where, and by whom. For example, you can check when raw materials were issued, how much was consumed in production, and when stock was shifted internally. This ensures complete transparency, helps in stock reconciliation, supports audits, and gives you better control over inventory. In short, MB51 is your digital logbook for material movements. Thanks.